Hello everyone, I am back again. My name is Arindhiri and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So I am recording this video. I am recording video after a very long time. So as you can see on the screen, we are going to start a new series on data structures and algorithm. So in this channel, we are going to cover the complete data structures and algorithm from the basic to the advanced level. We are going to cover each and every topic, each and every pattern. Alright, so in this video we are going to study some basic maths, some basic mathematical topics which are needed, which are required in order to solve questions in data structures and algorithm. We are going to study some basic mathematics. So let's start the first question. uh, First question is, we are going to solve a question, extraction of digits. So what this question says, what is the agenda of this question? So let me tell you uh, what we have to do in this question. Let's say we have given a question, we have given an input, and the input is n 1 2 3 4. This is a number and we have to extract all the digits which are in this number, which are in this input. All right, for example, in this number we have digit 1, digit 2, digit 3 and digit 4, and we have to extract all these digits. For example, 1 2 3 and 4. All right, so what we have to do, so how can we do, so how can we solve this problem, how can we extract the digits? So what can we do? We can use operator which is known as modulus operator. So what it does, uh, it divides the number. Let's say we have number 12, and when we take modulus with any number, let's say 10, it will divide 12 by 10, and after dividing this number it will return the remainder. It will return remainder, and the remainder will be 2. You can see here, like 10 10 10 ones are 10 and a remainder is 2. All right, so it will give you the remainder as the answer. So what if I take modulus of this number by 10? Let's try. 1 2 3 4 with 10, it will give me the remainder. It will divide this complete number by 10 and it will give me the remainder, and the remainder will be 4. As you can see here, the last number will be remainder and it will give me 4. So in this way we have extracted the last digit by taking modulus of this number by 10. We are getting the last digit. After doing this, what we can do, we can divide this number by 10 and it will give me 1 2 and 3. What happens if you divide this number by 10? The answer will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 sorry 1 2 3 0, and the remainder will be 4, and the answer will be 1 2 3. All right, so we are getting 1 2 and 3, and this is our first pass. All right, after doing this, what we can do, we can give this output as my input in next pass. So what we can do, we have this answer, and again we can take modulus by 10 and we will get the last digit. So the answer will be 3, and again we can divide this number by 10. We will get 12. All right, this is our second pass. after the second pass, this is our result, and again we can pass this number as our next input, and the next input will be 12 modulus. Again we can take modulus of this number with 10, and we will get the last digit, and again we can divide this number by 10 and we will get 1, and this will be the input for our next pass. This is, by the way, this is third pass, and this will be our next this will be input for our next pass. So 1 modulus 10, we will get 1, and after dividing this number by 10 we will get 0, and here you can see the output is 0, so we have no need to do further passes, and this will be our last iteration. All right, in this way we have extracted all the numbers. Like you can see, 1, we have extracted 2, we have extracted 3, and we have extracted 4. All right, so we have extracted all the numbers from the backside. All right, so in this way we can extract all the numbers from all the digits from a given input from a given number. All right, so let me write the pseudocode for this. So what we have to do, what we can do, we will implement a while loop, and we will give some condition to this. And what we have to do in this while loop, as you can see here, we are dividing the input number, we are taking modulus of the input number by 10, and we are getting the last digit. So the last digit will be the input n modulus 10, and after doing this, what we are doing, we are taking we are dividing this input by 10, and what we are getting, we are getting the input, we are getting an output which will be the input for our next pass. So we have to store this number in n again. All right, so we have to assign this number to n again, so that we can pass this number to our next pass. We can pass this input this output to our next pass. All right, so in this way we can extract the numbers. If you want, you can print this number, print the last digit, so it will print the digit. All right, so what will be the condition in this while loop, what we have to put here. All right, so you can see that we are breaking our iteration when the input digit is 0, the input number is 0. So I can say that we have to run this while loop till my n is greater than 0. All right, so this will be the pseudocode for this code. Let me show you by doing dry run. So our input is 1 2 3 4. As you can see here that our number is greater than 0. So what we are doing, we are taking modulus of this number, we are getting the last number. I have already told you here. All right, so the last number will be 4, we are getting 4, and then we are dividing this number by 10, so we are getting 1 2 3, and we are printing this number, so it will print the number 4, and then the while loop will run again, and again the number is 1 2 3. So after taking modulus, you can see that the number is again greater than 0. So after taking the modulus with 10, modulus by 10, we will get the last digit again. So we are dividing this number by 10 again, so we are getting 12, and we are printing this number. So the number will be 10, the last digit will be 10, the last digit will be 3, and again we are running this while loop, and again you can see that the number is 12, which is greater than 0. So greater than 0, so this while loop will run again. We are again taking modulus of this number by 10, we are again getting the last digit, and we are dividing this number by 10, so we are getting 1. All right, and you can see 1 is greater than 0, so we are taking modulus, and then we are dividing this number and the number becomes 0, and then we are printing this number and the number is 1. So in this way we have printed, we have extracted the digits, from the given input. A question can be asked here that you don't have to extract the numbers, but you have to count the digits. You have to count the digits. You have to count the digits in the input, that how many digits are in the input number. All right, so what you can do, you can take a count variable initialized with 0, and what you can do now, you don't have to write this line, you just have to increment the count plus plus, and you don't need to print anything here. So just we are incrementing the count, and then we are dividing the digit. So 1 2 3 4 is the input, and this input is greater than 0, so we are incrementing the count, so the count will be 1. All right, and then we are dividing this number by 10, so we are getting what, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 is again greater than 0, so we are again incrementing this number by 1, so the count will be 2, and then we are again dividing this number, and you can see the number is 12, which is greater than 0, so we are incrementing the count again, so the count will be plus 1, and the value will be 3, the count value will be 3, and then again we are dividing this number, and at the last we have 1, and 1 is greater than 0, so we are again incrementing the count 1, and again we are dividing this number with 10, so the number is now 0, and 0 is not greater than 0, so this while loop will break in this condition, and we have the count of digits in sorry, this will be 4. We have count of digits in this count variable, so if you have to return, you can return this count variable. All right, so this is the pseudocode for this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we will discuss some more problems related to basic mathematics which are important, and then we will move to our data structures like array and linked list and all right, so thank you for watching this video. That's it for today. We will meet in the next video.